The conspiracy theorists have one thing right. This is radiation fog, but it's not the radiation you're likely thinking of. There's nothing radioactive about it. Instead, we're talking about one of the three types of heat transfer that occur naturally in the environment. The first one is conduction. That's where you have heat transfer through direct contact. Put your hand on a hot stove, your hand's gonna get hot really fast. The other one, convection. That's motion of heat through a fluid, that transfer. So you think about heat in a boiling pot of water, how it circulates, that's that convective cycle. We also talk about convection ovens. So there's all kinds of different convection out there. But then let's talk about that radiation. We get light from the sun, all these different wavelengths, mainly invisible light, hitting down to the earth and warming up the surface. It absorbs that radiation, those electromagnetic waves. Now we do the same thing back at night. That heat radiates back out from the surface in the form of mostly infrared. And so we cool off the ground surface, and the air right above the ground cools off very quickly. Accordingly, can't support as much water vapor, and it condenses into fog. But no one's getting any superpowers out of this fog.